Crystal is doing a recipe for us. What are we calling this one today, Crystal?
Protein-packed ice cream shake.
All right. So we have some ice in our blender. What should we do next?
Next, you see those 2 bananas?
Yep, got 2 bananas right here.
I got those yesterday.
All right, should we add them to our blender?
Yes.
All right.
And in case you guys haven't realized, this isn't the protein yet. Bananas are not protein.
Still healthy though, but no, they're not protein.
No.
All right. What should we do next?
Next, all those nuts.
All right, so we have some chopped walnuts here. All right.
Next, protein powder.
All right, we got some plant-based protein here. Today I have Chobani plant-based organic protein in chocolate, but you can use whatever you have. So we'll add a scoop of that. There we go.
Okay, 2 large scoops of ice cream.
Okay, we're running out of room here, so we may need to start blending and then.
Yes.
So why don't we put some milk in, start blending it, and then when we have more, when it blends down a little, we can start to add some ice cream.
We'll be right back after we blend.
Got that started blending, and so we start to add some ice cream now?
Yes.
All right, so we've got some chocolate ice cream.
Renee bought. Thank
Yeah,
you.
it's a homemade style chocolate ice cream. So it should be yummy.
I think that's enough.
All right, and we will blend that up and be right back. All right, it's blended up and my mom's gonna try it.
Okay, looks good, nice and thick. Mmm, delicious. And so thick it's hard to get through this straw.
All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye.